And now, we have breaking news. No, sorry. It's just time for Mr. Aeen's stupid jokes. Sorry, you guys. I really apologize.
Hey, I have many jokes about unemployed people. Sadly, none of them work. Hi, period 4 students. Okay, this is a video to help you solve two-step inequalities for Monday, March 23rd. So I gave you guys a handout. Well, electronically I did. This is number 1, in case it doesn't show up right. It says x divided by 2 minus 1 is less than 5. So it's just like before. You're just going to do the opposite, do the inverse operation. But you got two things happening. So start with the addition subtraction first. If it says minus 1, do the opposite. It becomes plus 1. Cross out the same numbers. So you have x over 2, or x divided by 2, is less than 5 minus 1. I'm sorry, 5 plus 1, which is 6. Now do the opposite of division. Remember, this means division. So the opposite would be times 2 on both sides. Cross out the same numbers. So you have x is less than 6 times 2, 12. And then you're going to graph it on a number line. So remember how to do that still. So you draw a number line. Here's 0. Here's 12. So you make the circle. And then you don't color in the 12 because it's not an answer. But everything less than 12 is an answer. So you're going to shade it this way. See, the sign is even pointing this way. So you shade this way. Okay? All right, now that's an easy one.
And now, we have breaking news. No, sorry. It's just time for Mr. Aeen's stupid jokes. Sorry, you guys. I really apologize. Not really.
Hey, you guys, to be frank, I have to change my name. All right, let's try number 2 on the same assignment for today. Now, look at this one. You start with the answer. It says negative x. So we're going to rewrite it with a 1. So it's negative 1x. And we'll do the opposite of what it says. So instead of plus 7, we're going to write minus 7. Both sides of the inequality sign. Cross out the same numbers here. Okay, so you have 13 minus 7, so that's 6. Greater than or equal to negative 1x. Okay, so now this is negative 1 times x, so we're going to get rid of this negative 1. We're going to divide both sides by negative 1 and cross out the same numbers. Remember, when you divide by a negative number, or if you multiply by a negative number, flip your inequality sign. So it's going to look like this now. 6 divided by negative 1, negative 6. And then let's switch it around. So the variable's on the left side, which means you're going to flip your inequality sign again. There. That's the answer. Okay, you're going to put that on a number line. So here's 0. Here's negative 6 on the left. Circle. Color it in. Shade to the right. So negative 6 is an answer, and everything bigger than negative 6 is an answer. Okay, I hope that helped.
And now, we have breaking news. No, sorry. It's just time for Mr. Aeen's stupid jokes. Sorry, you guys. I really apologize.
So what do you call a broken can opener? What did the janitor say when he jumped out of the closet? And what do we have out here in the wild? What is it? Is it a panther? Oh no, it's a giant kitty. Looks like a panda bear. It's a panda bear.